So basically, I hate writing scripts and editing videos. One day I was trying to write a video script, and after spending hours, I was able to write this! Yes, this one word. So I slept.
We have sent you an email. You should check it out.
Now, if you are someone who hates writing scripts and editing videos, then I highly recommend you to watch this video, because at the end of this video, you will be able to make videos literally in just one click. Now let's dive in. OpenAI has released a really cool GPT store, and now you can create your own GPTs in ChatGPT. But the main question is, how are we going to make videos through ChatGPT? Now, the GPT store has many AI tools, but my favorite one is InVideo AI. This tool will help us create videos directly from ChatGPT. To access it, head over to ChatGPT and go to the Explore GPT section. If you can't find this option, then you'll need to get ChatGPT Plus, which costs around $20 per month. After upgrading your account, you will have the same interface. Next, search for InVideo AI. All you need to do is provide your prompt, and it will automatically generate a script for you and then edit it. However, it's important to provide a high-quality prompt. Here's a detailed prompt that I've created. I have two versions of this prompt, so let's start with the first one. With this initial prompt, you can create your unique version of already viral videos on YouTube. For example, if you want to make a motivational video similar to the popular ones but with your own unique twist, I've got you covered. You can use this approach for various types of videos. Now, we need to copy the transcription of the video. You can do this by clicking here and then copying all the text and pasting it here. Afterward, replace all these brackets with your theme. Since we are creating a motivational video, you should type motivational here. And let's say we need a 2-minute duration. Now choose the gender, accent, and type of voiceover you prefer. If you wish, you can also add your own choice of background music. Next, the tool will automatically generate 3 titles, provide an SEO-optimized description, and suggest tags for you. That's it. Simply wait for it to create a script, title, tags, and description. After that, click on Confirm. You will then receive a link to the video. Click on the provided link, and you will be redirected to InVideo AI's website. If you don't have an account, simply click on Continue with Google, and it will begin generating your video. Now, let's take a look at how it appears.
In this moment right now, I urge you to confront the difficult. Let today be the day you chase after the trials with open arms, finding beauty in the struggle. Understand the path to greatness is littered with obstacles, moments ready to break your spirit and dim your fire. Yet it's in these trials, your resolve is tested, and your true desire shines through. Picture this: every setback, every no, every moment you're told it's not possible, is merely a step closer to your breakthrough.
Amazing, isn't it? However, let's say you didn't like a particular part of the video and want to make changes. You can do that right here. Select the scene you want to change and search for the necessary footage. Replace it with what you prefer. You can also edit the script from this section if needed. Now, if you don't want to make these changes manually, simply type the alterations you desire for the video in this chat box and witness the magic. You can literally make any changes just by requesting them. Once you are satisfied, click on Export. If you are using the free version, please note that it will include watermarks. If you are truly serious about it, you should consider subscribing to one of their plans. Simply download the video. Now let's discuss the other version of my prompt. This prompt allows you to create a script using any online article. Just paste the article link here. Add the desired duration and topic of the article, and press Enter. The rest of the process remains the same. You can create an AI news channel using this technique, and I assure you, you won't regret it. I hope this video has been of great help to you. If it has, please consider subscribing to my channel for more fantastic content like this. Thank you for watching, and have a wonderful day.